welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So I'm very excited today because in this video we're going to be announcing the collaboration calendar for September 2023. So grab your coffee, your favorite drink, a notepad, your calendar, a pen, and get yourself ready to write these down. Very exciting. Now, the first thing I want to announce is that Declutter My Space, I am canceling that collaboration. I no longer have Declutter My Space. I kind of had that running because I was packing and getting ready to move, but I find that that collaboration, nobody seems to be responding to too well. I would rather do a deep clean myself in my new home and just put out the videos. So Declutter My Space is now canceled. Now let's move on over to Sundays. So every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I have quick and easy meals. Now, quick and easy meals, all you have to do is make anything from a milkshake all the way down to barbecue, breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, and anything in between that you can think of. Especially now during the holiday season that's coming up, and we need to feed our family something quick, but we want to feed them something healthy. Just upload your video, guys, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so now we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is a freestyle collaboration unless there's a guest that's coming in. Now, if there's a guest that's coming in, then they get to choose whatever style, color, or theme that they would love to use. And so then we go along with that and we have some kind of fun. I love that change from freestyle to actually decorating a certain way. It's really nice. It also helps to support other content creators. And I love watching how each one of you create and have your own style of creating. It's actually taught me a lot when it comes to tablescapes. I know I've seen the difference. So let me announce to you who's coming in. So now, September 19 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Debbie Bubbles coming in. And wouldn't you know, it's her birthday. I think I actually chose her birthday on the exact day. So she decided that she wanted autumn leaves. So autumn leaves is her theme. And remember, it's her birthday, so we want to make sure to celebrate her. Okay, so now we have on September 26th, we have Mercy Beauty Styles coming in. Now, Mercy Beauty Styles also has a birthday, so I happened to ask two people to come in, and both of them have a birthday, and I happen to choose it on, I think it's on the exact day for both. Now, Mercy Beauty Styles, her birthday colors are gold and white. So make sure that for Mercy Beauty Styles, we're also celebrating a birthday. So we want to make sure and wish her a happy birthday also. And so remember, she's on the 26th at 6, and then Debbie Bubbles is on the 19th at 6. So now let's head on over to the next collab. Okay, so on September 8th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have A Vintage Fall. This is an absolutely beautiful collaboration. If you have anything old, anything vintage, anything Victorian, if you want to decorate something in your home, maybe you have something that was handed down to you that you would like to display, upload your video, guys, decorate with it, DIY, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. It's an amazing collab. So let's move on over to the next one. Okay, so now we have Decorate a Lantern. I am so excited about Decorate a Lantern. I have quite a bit of hosts with me, and this is going to be amazing. It is the fall edition. You can decorate from one lantern to as many lanterns as you have. I am so excited. Cannot wait to see you there, guys. Let's head on over to the next collab. So now we're going to talk about, now Decorate a Lantern is on the 13th at 7 p.m. if I didn't already say that. So let's head on over to September 15, which is Decorate My Space at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is an awesome collab because you can decorate any area of your home, indoor, outdoor, and upload your video. If you're changing out decor, if you're changing colors, if you're rearranging, whatever it is that you're doing, upload your video and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Let's head on over to the next collab. every last Monday of the month. So that would be September 25th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have Cozy Corner or Vignette. That is an awesome, beautiful collab. And what's amazing is that I called in a guest to come in, and I am so excited to have her, very excited. And it is Antoinette decorating. And I am so excited as she accepted the invitation, and she is so happy to come in and celebrate with me on Cozy Corner or Vignette on September 25th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if there's anything else that comes up throughout the month, if maybe if you have an idea that you'd like to share with me, or a collab comes up, I decide to bring up something else, I will announce it at least 2 to 3 weeks beforehand to see if you guys would love to join. It's really exciting when you can break up your everyday stuff and just kind of do things that you like. Like, I happen to be very much into decorating right now, and I love tablescapes. And sometimes I want to do something outside of the box or create a collaboration. If you have an idea, let me know. Remember that we follow YouTube etiquette in this collaboration month calendar that I have here. Remember that I also post everything in the community tab, and all of the hosts, the thumbnails, and everything you need will be listed there. So I am very excited. I hope you enjoy this calendar of events, and I'll see you next month for October's open invitation collaborations. Remember, this is for everyone to enjoy, and I'm pretty sure that depending on whatever niche you have, you can find something there that you can fit into, guys. Have an amazing day, and God bless. Amen.